A seismic tremor of size 5.0 happened early morning on Monday 1 March 2021 at 6:51 a.m. nearby time close to Malingao, Cotabato, Sox Sargon, Philippines, as detailed by Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency. As per primer information, the tremor was situated at a middle-of-the-road profundity of 117 kilometers. The strength of the quake may have been tempered by its general extraordinary profundity beneath the surface, which causes it to feel more fragile in total terms. The specific size, focal point, and profundity of the shudder may be modified inside the following not many hours or minutes as seismologists audit information and refine their estimations, or as different offices issue their report.